everyone, and welcome back to the English Buddies cast. I'm Lara.
And I'm Tom. It's great to be back with all of you. We are so happy you are here to practice English with us.
We are. Today, we have a very, very delicious topic. We are going to talk all about food.
Oh, yes. Food is my favorite topic. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, I love it all. It's a perfect topic for an easy listening practice.
Exactly. And talking about food is a great way to start a conversation in English. So, we have a question for you, our listeners, right now. What is your favorite food? Think about it. You can tell us in the comments later.
Great idea. And before we start, a quick reminder. If you enjoy our podcast, please don't forget to like this episode and subscribe to our channel. It really helps us create more content for you.
Yes, thank you. Now, Tom, to make our food talk extra fun and practical, we are going to listen to a mini story. It's a very simple, everyday conversation.
I love our mini stories. Who are we meeting today?
We're going to meet two friends, David and Emily. It's evening, they are both at their homes, and they are trying to decide what to eat for dinner. It's a situation many of us know very well.
The classic, what's for dinner problem. I have that problem every day.
Me too. So, let's listen to David and Emily.
Perfect.
They will also meet Marco, who works at a pizza place. Listen carefully to the words they use. Let's begin.
Hey, Emily. It's David.
Oh, hi, David. What's up?
Not much. I'm just really hungry, and I don't want to cook tonight.
I understand that feeling. I'm hungry too. Do you want to order some food?
Yes, exactly. But what should we get? I can't decide.
I don't know. What are you craving?
Okay, let's pause here for a moment, Lara. That's an interesting word Emily used. Craving. What does it mean?
That's a great question, Tom. Craving is a strong feeling of wanting to eat something specific. It's more than just being hungry. For example, you can say, I have a craving for chocolate. It means you really want chocolate right now.
I see. So it's a specific hunger. I often have a craving for pizza.
Perfect example. So Emily is asking David what specific food he really wants to eat. Let's go back to the story and see what David says.
Craving. Good question. I'm thinking maybe Italian food? You know, some pasta?
Oh, pasta sounds delicious. But I had pasta for lunch yesterday. What about Mexican food? We could get some tacos?
Tacos are good, but I'm not really in the mood for tacos today. I want something easy, something we can share.
Easy and good for sharing. I know. What about pizza?
Pizza! Yes, that's a great idea. You can't go wrong with pizza.
And another pause. Tom, did you hear that expression David used? You can't go wrong with pizza.
I did. It sounds like he's saying pizza is always a good choice.
Exactly. You can't go wrong with is a fantastic, common expression. You use it to say that something is a safe and reliable option that is always good. You could say, for a birthday gift, you can't go wrong with a book.
Or, for a fun movie, you can't go wrong with a comedy.
Perfect. You got it. So, David and Emily have decided on pizza. Now, let's hear how they order it. This is great practice.
Okay, great. So, what toppings do you want?
I like pepperoni. Simple and classic. What about you?
I'd like something with vegetables. Maybe mushrooms and peppers?
Okay, no problem. We can get a large pizza and do half and half. Half pepperoni for me and half veggie for you.
That's a perfect plan. Do you want to call the pizza place?
Sure, I'll call Luigi's Pizza now.
Luigi's Pizza, this is Marco speaking. How can I help you?
Hi, I'd like to place an order for delivery, please.
Of course. What would you like to order?
Can I have one large pizza, please?
One large pizza. And what toppings would you like on that?
I'd like to have half with pepperoni and the other half with mushrooms and green peppers.
No problem. So, that's one large pizza, half pepperoni, half veggie, with mushrooms and peppers. Is that correct?
Yes, that's correct.
Okay. Can I get your name and address, please?
Yes, the name is David, and the address is 123 Apple Street.
123 Apple Street. Got it. Your total will be $22.50. It should be there in about 30 to 40 minutes.
Great. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your pizza. Goodbye.
Bye.
So, what's the good news?
The pizza is on its way. It will be here in about 30 minutes.
Wonderful! I'm so excited. Thanks for ordering, David.
No problem. Teamwork.
And that's the end of our little story. A simple conversation, right?
Yes, very simple and very real. I loved how David ordered the pizza. He used phrases like, I'd like to place an order, and can I have? These seem very useful.
They are extremely useful. I would like, or its short form, I'd like, is a polite way to ask for something. Can I have is also very common and a little more informal. Both are perfect for a restaurant or a phone call.
And he was very clear. One large pizza, half with pepperoni. It makes it easy for the other person to understand.
Exactly. Clarity is very important. And notice Marco, the employee, repeated the order back. So, that's one large pizza. Is that correct? This is very common to make sure there are no mistakes.
This was great practice. It makes ordering food in English feel much less scary.
That's the goal. It's all about using simple, clear phrases. Okay, Tom, are you ready for a quick quiz to see what we remember from the story?
I am. Let's do it. I hope our listeners are ready too.
Great! I'll ask the questions. Question number 1. At the beginning of the story, what kind of food was David craving? A. Pizza, B. Tacos, or C. Pasta?
I remember this. He talked about it first. The answer is C, pasta.
That is correct. He was craving pasta, but Emily had it for lunch the day before. Well done. Okay, question number 2. What expression did David use to say that pizza is always a good choice? A, pizza is the best. B, you can't go wrong with pizza. Or C, let's just get pizza.
Oh, this was the expression you explained. The answer is B. You can't go wrong with pizza.
Exactly right. It means it's a safe and reliable choice. Excellent memory, Tom. And the last question, number 3. How did David order the pizza toppings? A, 2 small pizzas. B, 1 pizza with everything on it. Or C, 1 pizza with half and half toppings.
This one is easy. They wanted different things, so they decided on C, 1 pizza with half and half toppings.
Perfect! You got 3 out of 3. And how about our listeners? Let us know your score in the comments. We'd love to see how you did.
That quiz was a fun way to review the story.
I agree. So, let's do a quick summary of what we learned today. We saw a real, everyday conversation about deciding what to eat. We learned the word craving, which means a strong desire for a specific food.
We also learned the very useful expression, you can't go wrong with something, for when something is always a good option.
And most importantly, we practiced key phrases for ordering food, like, I'd like to place an order, and can I have? These are super important for real-life situations.
I feel much more confident about ordering food in English now. The secret is just using simple and polite phrases.
That's the secret to so much in English. Keep it simple and clear. We really recommend that you listen to David and Emily's conversation again a few times to help you remember the vocabulary.
Great advice. Well, that's all the time we have for today. We hope you had fun practicing your English with our food talk.
Thank you so much for listening. If you liked this episode, please share it with a friend who is also learning.
And don't forget to answer our question in the comments. What is your favorite food? We can't wait to read your answers.
Until next time, keep practicing and have fun with English. Goodbye, everyone.
Bye. See you in the next episode.